In this video, we're going to continue talking about Amazon, and I'm going to show you some additional link types that you can actually create within the Amazon affiliate backend. So what you're going to do is first we'll just search for a product here, and for this example, we'll just use automatic pet feeders. So let's say we have a blog or a website all about automatic pet feeders or all about pet supplies and pet products. So what we'll do here is just go ahead and type that in, and we're gonna choose this Le Bistro product. And as was covered previously, you can just choose Get Link over here, and you can actually just choose Get Link and click on that drop down menu to get a basic affiliate link, or you can actually come back over. We'll go back over here and you can actually select, if you do this drop down menu, it'll say build more links, and it will actually take you to this page here, which covers more options here for your links. And if we go back here, I'll show you again one more time what it's going to look like if you go the other option. It also can look like this. Whoops, let's just go to automatic pet feeders and just choose this get link here. It's going to actually take you to the text and image options and several different link types. You've got a text only option, you have an image only option, and you have an add to widget option, which would actually put it to like an Amazon type widget. So first, let's just show you real quick how to do a text and image option. So this would open the link in a new window, which is more than likely what you want to do. You've got several options here. You can choose to show a border around it. Sometimes that it doesn't really look the best because it kind of looks more like an advertisement more than it should, and so it kind of can conflict with people. So that's up to you as far as the border goes. So I'm gonna choose take the border off. So I just uncheck that. If you want to use a larger image, you can. And we want to, I think, because it's going to stand out and it's not that big as it is. So they also do a good job of showing you prices here. You can choose show price options, so they'll say best price or buy new, or you could say show new prices only at 64.22. And then the background color, we'll keep it white. You could go ahead and change that if you wanted to, but it doesn't really do the best. Kind of again draws attention where attention doesn't need to be drawn. So typically you'll just leave that alone and leave it as is. So we'll leave it all white. And again, you can just choose that little drop down menu if you decide to play with the background color. Text color, that's going to be up to you. You can choose, of course, same way, any color option that you want for this text part. And then the link part, if you want it to be a different color other than blue, you could actually select that, although blue is a good option to use for your links. And as you customize this link down here in the right hand corner, and right here on the right hand side, actually, it's going to have a live preview for you what it's going to look like. And then right here, you could actually, this is your HTML code, so you can actually highlight this code and right click and choose copy, and then of course paste it right on into your notepad file. So there's several different link options here as well. And you'll notice here one thing you want to look for is, does your affiliate tracking ID show up? And in this particular case it does. This is an iframe code, it's called, but inside here you'll see an equal sign and you'll see your tracking ID again. So that's important to keep in mind. So then the other thing, that's your affiliate link. Then there's other options you can do. So you could choose, I don't really like, the text and image, so maybe we just want a text only link. And that link could be the basic link like that you already have here, or it could be, slightly more advanced. You could choose the destination as well. So typically a good option is to have like the name of the product. So here's what it's going to look like. You could choose, click here for best automatic pet feeder. You could actually change the text there so it shows up here. And this does a good job of actually giving you the HTML code that you can actually use. So it does a really good job of embedding your affiliate ID and then just giving you the HTML code so you could just paste it onto your website, just like that. Or you could use just the link feature here, and if you're in Composer, actually link that image up. So Composer or WordPress. So here is, again, that's again just copy and paste that code in there. The other option here, you have an image only option, and this is where you've got, and then you can choose the link destination. You can go to a detail page or an offer listing page. Detail page is most of the time where you want it to go. That's typically where you want that to go. Image size, you can choose small or large, and we'll just go with a large image. And then that's again just to have like this image here, so it's going to be just the image of the product, and it's got a little pop under here so people could actually go to Amazon to purchase it. So you can choose if you want to have the script added or not. So I'll show you how to do that real quick here. But again, you just highlight that HTML, right click, copy it, and now you've got the link just for the image only. If you want to add a product preview script, which actually does it look pretty cool. So let's say you just have your image here, and then you click on that, and it actually will tell people a little bit more about that product, like the product name, and then where they can go to get it. And again, that option is available under it if you choose the image only option. And down here it says power up your product link with product previews. And you can see the example here. So what you're going to do, this code should go after your content and before your closing body tag. So you would actually copy this and actually paste it into the HTML side of your actual website. And I'll actually show you that in another session. So you just highlight that HTML, you can right click and you can copy that over there. And then that about sums it up as far as those options go. There's one other option that you can choose. You can choose a widget, which a widget, what it will do is it will actually, allow you to do like your favorites, or you could do my top pet products. And then you can choose a widget size. So you could have a small widget or a large widget size, and this is what the widgets look like. Color theme, you can go with gray, or there's other options. And we can update this preview here just to see how it's going to look. So there's the gray option, there's a cinnamon option, and then you could add this in here. I love these pet products. And then choose save and get code. And then this is your widget link is actually, so you can highlight all that code in there or choose copy to grab your code. And again, I like to put things in a notepad file so I have them. But this is a script for for the widget so that you're going to get credit for those products. You could also choose update an existing widget if you had those saved. But that's how you work with the widgets. Most of the time, those things used to be popular. You're going to get the best result probably with the text and image, text only, or the image only. Those are going to be the three main links that you're going to work with. But you can, work with widgets if you wanted to. That is an option. And widgets are found up here, and that's an entirely different training that we could cover. So right here, these are a few advanced strategies for actually getting Amazon code for products that you can promote.